into our fourth set. If you're wondering what's going to happen in the next hour, in the Facebook event, there is a link to a Google Doc with the full program, with all of the songs that everyone is performing and all of the teachings that they're doing, and also links to biographies and photos of all of our amazing performers. And there's also a plain text version in the event. But a preview of who will be up in this hour, we have cantorial student Rachel Weston tuning in from London next, followed by Susan Abbe Hoffman Lankin Watts, who is going to sing and play trumpet, I believe. Cantor Magda Fishman joining us from Florida. Amy Zakar and family joining us from New Jersey. And Paloma Shachman joining us from Argentina. A truly international hour. And without further ado, I would like to introduce you to Rachel Weston.
Hi, everybody.
Hang on, I have to find your photo.
Okay.
I can hear you. Hang on. There we go.
Hi, everybody. Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my piano? Great. All right, so I'm going to start with a song about making up with God, about bargaining with God, about saying to God, you fulfill your promise and I'll fulfill my promise. You promise lots of miracles, enough persecution, liberate your nation. Let's make up, let's bury the hatchet. Remember our ancestry. Stop permitting violence against us. Let's make up. May your Shekhinah, your divine presence, rest upon us, and may our enemies expire from envy. Let's make up. You fulfill your promise next year in Jerusalem. And when I say Jerusalem, I mean any kind of place of, I don't know, salvation of some kind. Oh, I should say I learnt this song from Lauren Sklamberg, who you may have seen perform earlier. Also sung beautifully by Dave Wall from Toronto, by the way. Avinu, 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 Sheba Shamayim. Lo mir sich überbetten, sei deine Werte Mekayim. Lo mir sich überbetten, Avinu, Sheba Shamayim. Lo mir sich überbetten, sei deine Werte Mekayim. Lo mir sich überbetten, lo mir sich überbetten, sei schon deine Werte Mekayim. Weil Nissen von der Floh ist, was du zu gesagt, gedenkst du noch wie einmal. Genug schon, gejagt und geplagt, befrei dein Volk Israel. Lass mir sich überbetten. Der Mond sich in unser Jeches. Lass mir sich überbetten. Lass nicht auf uns mehr keine Chikes, rasiert siches. Lass mir sich überbetten, Avinu Sheba Shamayim. Lass mir sich überbetten, bei deinen Werten Mekayim. Lass mir sich überbetten, lass mir sich überbetten, sei schon deine Werte Mekayim. Weil Nissen von der Floh, jetzt hast du zu gesagt, gedenkst du gedenkst du noch wie einmal? Gejagt und geplagt und geschlagt und genug, befreit dein Volk Israel. Gejagt und geplagt und geschlagt und genug, befreit dein Volk Israel. Lishana haba, Birusha, Thank you. I just want to say that I can see at the top of my screen Cantor Sarah Myerson. I can't see Alana Kravitz, but I can see her picture. I can see Susan, however many surnames you have, Abe Lang, Watts, Susan Watts, and it's so beautiful to be able to see you at the top of my screen, and Eleanor, who just played as well. You're all such incredible, beautiful women, and oh, so good, and thank you, Sarah and Ilya, for organising this. So I think in honour of the woman to my right, Cantor Sarah Myerson, I'm going to sing some chazanut. Okay, Sarah, I have two options. One is a Sim Shalom, which is quite long, and one is a Ritzei, which is shorter. Do you have a preference?
Is it the Richards Ritzeh and the Janowski Sim Shalom?
They're both Israel Alta.
Oh. Well, we could ask our Facebook Live audience.
Oh, we could. We could definitely do that.
I don't necessarily want to wait 30 seconds for them to weigh in on Sim Shalom.
That's true.
How about, it's not longer than like 5 minutes, is it, the Sim Shalom?
It's not longer than 5 minutes, no.
Sim Shalom then. I think we could all do with some peace.
All right,
that's on us already.
All right, that sounds good. By the way, I don't know how many of you out there know Chazan Israel Goldstein. He's very ancient. He's my coach. And he coached me on this. There's absolutely no way he would be watching this now because Zoom, he's super old. We did have one Zoom and it was completely wonderful and adorable. But he coached me on this and he's just an absolute legend of a human being and hasn't been particularly well. So I'll have him in mind when I sing this. Oh, this is Israel Alta's transcription of Sim Shalom for Shabbat Shacharit, the morning service on Shabbat. Sim, sim shalom, sim, sim shalom, aleinu, aleinu, ve'al kol Yisrael amecho, aleinu, aleinu, ve'al kol Yisrael amecho. Sim shalom, tova uvracha, chayin v'chesed v'rachamim, chayin v'chesed v'rachamim, aleinu v'al kol Yisrael amecho, Yisrael amecho. Barcheinu Yotzreinu, Barcheinu Yotzreinu, Kulanu ke'echad, Kulanu ke'echad, Ba'or panecha. Ki ba'or panecha, ba'or panecha, natat lanu Adonai Eloheinu, Torah chayim, ba'ahava v'chesed, u'tzedakah רחמים וחיים ושלום וטוב וטוב בעיניך וטוב בעיניך בעיניך לברך את עמך ישראל עמך בית ישראל בכל עת ובכל שעה בכל עת ובכל שעה בשלומך ברוך אתה אדוני את עמו ישראל בשלום.
Yay!
Thanks, everybody.
Rachel Weston joining us from London. Amazing.
Thanks, Sarah.
Yeah.
I wish we could perform something together.
Oh, we will. I mean, this is also a performance together, what we're doing right now.
I guess it is.
It's an improvised talking performance.
That's true. That is absolutely true. And I feel like we could probably make a living off that, you and me. Like a talk show.
Oh. After I'm done recovering from this festival, let's talk about a talk show. I think we could do that. Okay.
So just to say that I think it's like a Cantor's thing that you have a lot of stuffed toys in the background of your Zooms, because Sarah Myerson has a lot of Sifrei Torah there. And I would like to introduce you to my pig, which, although not particularly Jewish in theme, is a delight amongst my Hebrew school kids. So just wanted to point that out. And I also want to point out that to the right of Susan Watts is Paulina Shepherd, looking extremely lovely, if I may say. And I'd also like to draw your attention to the fact that Paulina Shepherd was the first person to ever teach me Yiddish song. So that's pretty cool. And I was planning on doing a song that she wrote, actually, but first of all, I'm going to shut the door because it's like really late here and I'm cold. So be prepared for a horrible noise. It's really quite loud. Okay. All right. Stop my neighbours suffering. Okay, this is I'm living by myself for the first time since 2011, which is a strange and challenging and illuminating experience. So I'm going to perform a song about being far away from people. Far away across the sea. How many evenings we spent together and how many tears we shed until we knew of our love. Your eyes were like black cherries and your lips were like a pale rose paper. I don't know if that's a compliment or not, but nonetheless, there it is. Okay, so yeah, bit of a saddie. Toten, eben Wasser, dort eben breit. Vertrieben hast du mich in die weiten Länder und denken denk ich nach dir zurück. Oi, wie von Abenden zusammengesessen. Oi, wie viel Abenden spät in der Nacht. Und wie viel Tränen wir haben beide vergossen. Jeder, wir haben die Liebe zusammengebracht. Oi, helft mir Gott in you, oi Gott in Himmel. Oi, helft mir Gott in you, sieh's mir nicht gut. Scheint 3 Jahre lang, wie mich spielen Liebe. Und euch spielen die Liebe kennen wir nicht. Oi, dort, ich bin Wasser. Oi, dort, ich bin breit. Vertrieben hast du mich in die weiten Länder und denk ich nach dir zurück.
Thank you, Rachel.
So you froze for the whole of that, and I just had a really weird expression looking at me, so I'm worried that that didn't work at all.
Nope, it worked. I think
Right.
I think my internet is doing something funky now.
It was a very weird experience because I was singing about being far away from people at the same time as being very anxious that my internet had cut out at the same time as looking at a very distorted face.
Yes, that's quite possible. I don't have the best internet connection, which is why actually something I haven't acknowledged yet, but Paige Law came to the rescue, and she's actually she set up the Facebook live stream for this event.
Yeah, Paige is a bit of a hero. I think we all need a Paige in our life. Don't we? Don't we need a Paige? I want a Paige.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you very much.
You are so welcome. I don't know what time it is, so am I done?
Oh, yeah, probably.
Okay, great.
We'll hear you at the next festival.
I can't wait.
Okay.
Thanks for tuning in, everybody.
Thanks for joining. It was beautiful to hear you make music. And I think now we're going to turn to Susan. Susan, are you ready? We don't hear you yet.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes, that's great. Thank you.
Okay. All right. So here's the deal, my dear. Thank you very much for doing this. This is lovely and wonderful that we can all raise our voices for this day, which I did a lot of research for because I got news for you, Cantor, Sarah. I had no idea what BaOmer was. Like, I've been saying it my whole life, and I might have even gone to some services, but I had no idea what it was. So I found out.
It's not like Rosh Hashanah or something. I think most people have never heard of BaOmer.
No, you have to dig to find out what it is that we're celebrating. So I found something very interesting that we can celebrate at being in this crazy pandemic that we're in. There was a plague that you had mentioned in the last hour, Rabbi Akiva's students. This was in the late first century, early second century, and they were dying from the plague. And one of the mythologies around Lag BaOmer is that on the 33rd day of the Omer, nobody died. So that's today. So that's what that's one of the things that we're celebrating. Here we are in an age of a plague, and we can't sigh in relief. The worst is not over. On Pesach, we are admonished to regard ourselves as the one who was freed from slavery, that it is our own self that walked through on dry land. In this holiday of Lag BaOmer, we are celebrating a respite from death. On that day, no one died from the plague. Here we are today on a day where 3,000 died from COVID-19. What do? Here we are in an active plague with mounting death tolls, and here comes this holiday that celebrates that people stop dying from the plague on this day. Today, the 33rd day of the Omer. But here we are, and they are not stopping the dying. Large amounts of people are dying. What can we learn from Rabbi Akiva's plague? It gives us hope based on past evidence. Hope in the truth that the end to this, our plague, will be a time of rejoicing, singing, marrying, music making, haircutting. Just as we identify so clearly as the Hebrew slave who was redeemed and brought to freedom, so can we celebrate early, before it has even happened, knowing that it will be done. It will happen. This will end, and there will be rejoicing because it is Lag BaOmer, and today no one died from the plague in Rabbi Akiva's student population. Today, we celebrate as though we have been brought through a plague to safety. I am thankful with anticipation at the great and mighty acts of humanity we will all be able to see, reflections of Adonai in our world today, as revealed through people's faith and grit. So I wrote this song, which is kind of like a meditation and a nigun. And basically it talks about, it lists these 7 characteristics from the Kabbalah, which are loving kindness, justice and discipline, harmony and compassion, endurance, humility, bonding, and sovereignty leadership. So these are all the ways that your personality and your character can express itself through these experiences with other people. So I wrote this tune, and I encourage you, where we have the Baruch Shem Kevod Malchuto Le'olam Va'ed. I wanted to say that I found the translation of this to be amazing. The source of abundance, the entire existence of creation in the world shall continue forever without pause. So that's basically what I'm saying with Baruch Shem Kevod Malchuto Le'olam Va'ed. But here we go. Chesed Gevura Tiferet Nitzach Hod Yesod Malchuto. Chesed Gevura Tiferet Nitzach Hod Yesod Malchuto. Berach Shem Kevod Malchuto Le'olam Va'ed. Baruch Shem Kevod Malchuto Le'olam Va'ed. Baruch Shem Kevod Malchuto Le'olam Va'ed. Baruch Shem Kevod Malchuto Le'olam Va'ed. Yai B'Haya Maya B'Haya Baruch Shem Kevod Malchuto Le'olam Va'ed. Ya bye 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 ya my ya da da ya my ya my ya my ya ba 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 ya ba ba ya ba ba ya ba 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 ya yeah, yeah, ba 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 yeah, ba yeah, 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 ba 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 ba, yeah, ba 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 ba, yeah, yeah, ba ba yeah, yeah, ba ba yeah, yeah, my mama, yeah, my. Happy Lag BaOmer.
Happy Lag BaOmer, Susan. I
Thank
can't
you.
believe you wrote that yesterday.
Today, yeah, this morning.
Wow, that's the newest song in the whole wide world. That's amazing. I wrote one on Friday that I sang at the beginning in the first set at 1 p.m. But your song is even younger than my song. That's incredible. And who knows what songs are being born now as we speak.
I know.
It's so beautiful. Oh, thank you for sharing that with us.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Well, from one amazing singer and trumpet player to another amazing singer and trumpet player, I wonder if you two have ever performed together. Do you know Cantor Magda Fishman?
I performed with you. I don't know if you remember Magda, but it had to be 20 years ago at outside in Lincoln. It was with Moish Rosenfeld and one of those
Golden Land.
Golden Land. Do you remember me?
I do remember you, yeah.
It was a long time ago.
Quite a while ago.
And we didn't really do anything with each other except that you were there.
Yeah, and we had trumpets.
Yes, so I remember that you were there.
There's a sisterhood of trumpets.
That's right.
I'm very happy to see you, and thank you. It was beautiful.
Thank you.
We actually had a third singing trumpet player earlier, Alevtina in Finland.
Oh, yes!
It's an amazing festival. 3 singing trumpet players. I think every festival should have at least so many. And Yair is joining us.
Hi. And thank you, Sarah, for putting this together.
Of course, it's my pleasure. I'm happy to bring some good music to the world.
I'm going to start with a melody by Naomi Shemer, and the words are by Rabbi Nachman from Bratslav. And it's called Shirat Asavim, the Song of the Grasses. And it's pretty much saying that each one of us have our own nigun, our own melody. And we have our special melody. And together we create a melody of a shepherd, of the shepherd. So I didn't sing this song in a very long time, but every time I sing it, it reminds me of home. דע לך שכל רואה ורואה יש לו ניגון מיוחד משלו. דע לך שכל עשה ועשה יש לו שירה מיוחדת משלו, ומשירת הסבי נעשה ניגון של אוהב. כמה יפה, כמה יפה ונאה כששומעים השירה שלהם. טוב מאוד להתפלל ביניהם ובשמחה לעבוד את השם, ומשירת הסבים מתמלא הלב ומשתוקק. וכשלב מן השירה מתמלא ומשתוקק אל ארץ ישראל. אור גדול אזי נמשך והולך מקדושתה של הארץ עליו, ומשירת העשבים נעשה ניגון של הלב. ומשירת העשבים נעשה ניגון של And I was debating what to sing, and you know, growing up in Israel, we didn't really have big like BaOmer songs. But what I remember, I lived in Jaffa, and there are many, many fire pits all over, and each fire pit had its own nature, like the creation of that family, of that group of kids, or it was just so special to see each one, and people decorated around it, and you know, potatoes, and it was just so special to see all this light and happiness and joy. But I don't remember any specific big Lag BaOmer songs that I sang, other than Esh, Esh, Medura, Tachtonim veGufiya, but I didn't think it's like a big song to perform. The next song I chose is Shnira Leperale, and it's a lullaby. It's talking about Mashiach coming, and I learned it thanks to a dear friend, Zalman Mlotek, in the Yiddish theater, and I love this song, and it brings a lot of hope. And I really hope that what is coming for us is a more peaceful, healthier world, and that this fire that we're spreading in Lag BaOmer will spread the fire of joy and health and happiness. Mashiach ben David zitzoi benon halta becher in der rechter Hand macht Broche auf den ganzen Land Oy Omen ve'omen Das izvor Meshiach vetkumen Ein Tiktior Oy Omen ve'omen Das izvor Meshiach vetkumen Ein Tiktior Shnire pere gilder nefon Meshiach ben David Zitzoy venon Halta becher in derech terant Magda habroche oifen ganzen Land Oy Omen ve'omen Das izvor Meshiach vetkumen Ein Tiktior Oy Omen ve'omen Das izvor Meshiach vetkumen Ein Tiktior Vetter kommen zuvor willen sein gute Jahren Vetter kommen zu reiten willen sein gute Zeiten Vetter kommen zu gehen willen die Jiden in Eretz Yisrael einstein Shnire pere gilden von Mashiach ben David Zitzoy venon Halta becher in derech terant Magda habroche oifen ganzen Land Oy Omen ve'omen Das izvor Meshiach vetkumen Ein Tiktior Oy Omen ve'omen Das izvor Meshiach vetkumen Ein Tiktior Thank you. That's so sweet. It's so nice to see all of you. We should do this more often, Sarah. It will add a lot of work to your plate, but that's so nice. So I have 2 more songs. I mean, I have 10 more songs. I got excited. But I have 2 more songs. And one of them will be with my son. And it's a song that was written by a son of a cantor, Harold Arlen. And my son Yair is here. He's 7. And I'm trying to convince him to learn Yiddish, but as for now, he's good with the English, so
yeah.
We'll do this beautiful song that he learned a few weeks ago.
What do you mean a few weeks?
A few weeks ago. This was a few weeks ago. No? And then we'll end together with like an upbeat song, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue,
And the dreams that you dare to dream really do
come true.
Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me.
Where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Birds fly over the rainbow. Why?
Then
Why can't I? If happy little bluebirds fly,
מייקל אוקס עושה שלום.
עושה שלום במרומיו, הוא יעשה שלום עלינו. עושה שלום במרומיו, הוא יעשה שלום עלינו. עושה שלום במרומיו, הוא יעשה שלום עלינו. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל. עושה שלום במרומיו, הוא יעשה שלום עלינו. עושה שלום במרומיו, הוא יעשה שלום עלינו. עושה שלום במרומיו, הוא יעשה שלום עלינו. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל. יעשה שלום, יעשה שלום, שלום עלינו ועל כל ישראל. עושה שלום במרומיו.
Have a beautiful rest of the evening.
Wow, thank you so much, Magda and Yair.
Thank you. Thank you for putting all this together. Really kudos to you.
Oh, thank you, Yair. I'm so glad I got to meet you. I've been hearing about you and I've been seeing you in videos for years, but now I got to see you in real time and it's so special.
Thank you.
Wow. Okay, thank you, Magda. Luckily, I had the foresight not to try and program anything serious right after this because you should never follow adorable, multi-talented children with anything, except, I believe, we have another haircut. So, next, we are going... Amy, are you ready? Oh no, I think my internet froze. Hi, Amy. Can you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Hello, I've got the fire going here.
Oh.
So the first Klez camp that I attended was in Philadelphia. It was in Cherry Hill. So I thought that I would play some Philadelphia shares for everyone. And then we would do some shearing afterwards. So I'll play violin for a few minutes and then we'll move over to the other room where there's a hair salon. And feel free to dance around.
So that was our Philadelphia Shearing Part 1, and now I think we're on Philadelphia Shearing Part 2.
Hello. Just cut off the on layer. It'll be more entertaining. Can they see the hooky?
Accordion is not really my main instrument, but for a haircut, it's pretty good.
Don't listen to that.
What am I saying?
Good.
All right. How about the frill? Okay. Sorry about that.
That was pretty big.
You sound great, and you look great. Wow, what a talented hairstylist.
It's for the content. No. How does it look?
Can you see? Show them your hat.
Adrian, oh, now I get it. Okay, BaOmer. Who thought of that? That's very clever.
I do all the puns.
Amazing.
Here she is. Okay, BaOmer.
Okay, BaOmer.
It's gonna be a long day.
Oh, gee.
Oh,
Does that mean
your
cut?
hair looks great. So fresh and clean.
Hi. You totally went over the line.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Adios, amigos.
Adios. Well, funny that you should say adios, amigos, because in our next set, we have quite a few people from south of the border, from South America specifically. So we're going to hear some amazing music from them in a little bit. Let's see. I wonder what I can do. Oh, yeah. Okay. Wait. That's not how this is done. Let me...
Hi, Anna.
Hi. Okay. So, let's see. We have a few minutes before 5 p.m. If you're just joining us now, this will be the 5th set of this 6-set festival. We have an amazing, it's a 6-hour festival from 1 till 7 p.m. New York time. We're now getting just about up to 5 p.m. So this will be the 5th set. We're 2/3 of the way through the festival. If you are wondering what's going to happen during this set at any point in the Facebook event, you can see that we have posted a Google Doc with the full program that has all of the songs and all of the performers, and also has their photos and biographies so you can learn more about each of them and how to get in touch with them after the concert. If you we love that you're supporting us by your attendance and your participation in this event as audience members. We could just perform for ourselves and be very happy, but it makes it so much more meaningful to be able to share this music and this joy with you tonight. If you would like to support the artists that you're seeing perform, I'll put a link in the Facebook Live. You can send us contributions through PayPal or Venmo, or both if you want. I don't know why you would, but if you do, you could. And it is my PayPal, my Venmo, but I promise that I will get it to the artists in good time so that they can be supported. So, a preview of what we have coming up. Sorry that I'm so much on devices here. Okay, so first off, we have Jeff Warshauer, possibly joined by Deborah Strauss, Cantor Jeff Warshauer, Deborah Strauss. Following that, we have Slema Benveniste. She's going to sing 3 Yiddish songs. And then we have Tonya Greenberg singing a song in Ladino, in Judeo-Espanol. We've had songs in Russian and Yiddish and Hebrew and English and Spanish, and I might be forgetting one, but in this song we'll also have one in Ladino or Judeo-Espanol, so that's very exciting. After her, Nicole Borger, who is going to sing a song in Hebrew, a song in Yiddish, and I think a song in Portuguese. Nicole Borger, if you don't know her, runs a festival, Classical, in Brazil, and she connected me with some of our South American artists tonight, and I'm very thankful to Nicole for being that connection. Rounding out the hour, we'll be joined by Jane Lebison and Josh Waletsky for 2 Yiddish songs and a poem, also in Yiddish. If you're wondering why we have so many Yiddish songs on Lag BaOmer, I think that's probably reflective of who I'm friends with and who was willing to jump into a festival at the last moment. But the truth is that there are so many Yiddish songs that are connected to Lag BaOmer, especially once you start thinking about some of the themes that we're engaging with. So we've said this a few times throughout the festival, but I'll just summarize again. There are two sort of main ideas that we're celebrating here. One of them is that there was a rabbi living in Roman times about 2,000 years ago named Rabbi Akiva. He had many, many students, and unfortunately there was a plague, and many of them died from plague. And Lag BaOmer was the day that the plague ceased. People stopped dying from it. So if this isn't a topical year for Lag BaOmer, then I don't know what is. I think we can all identify with this hope that the plague that we're going through now ceases immediately. That would be great if people would stop dying. It's just unbelievably tragic that with everything else that was already going in the world, that more people are suffering from something that we didn't even know about a year ago. It's just unbelievable. But with Lag BaOmer being a holiday, we want to focus on the positive, and that is celebrating the idea that the plague stopped on Lag BaOmer in Rabbi Akiva's time, and the hope that through our celebration and our joy we can send that plague away. And the other aspect of this holiday, of course, is so one of Rabbi Akiva's students was Shimon Bar Yochai, Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai, sometimes known by an acronym of his initials, the Rashbi, and he passed away on Lag BaOmer, and it was his desire that his yahrzeit, instead of be observed with mourning customs, instead that people should rejoice and sing and dance. So those are two good reasons to celebrate.